Welcome to Business to Business Marketing course. My name is Ville-Pekka Mäkeläinen. Ville-Pekka is my first name and Mäkeläinen last name. On the slide you can find two email addresses of mine. The first one is to Finland, and that's my regular email address. And the other one is to AMSO, so I start to follow that email address also already before my arrival there. I work as a faculty member in Seinäjoki University of Applied Sciences. I work in business school, and I work in an international business department in this local business school over here. That's my picture. So you're gonna meet this guy. So when we meet in the classroom, when I arrive there, so first week of the course will be online, and we'll be doing studies online, and then May 21st we'll meet first time in the classroom in St. Louis. I'll be flying out to St. Louis on May 18th and 21st, as said. So we'll meet at AMSO with the regular class setting. We have had a few times this kind of course where we have first week online and then 3 weeks in regular classroom setting. The original reason was we had a MBA course, common MBA course arranged in Finland, and due to that I had to be present here during the first week of the class, and for that reason, so the course was arranged first time online, and then we have continued the arrangement, and I guess this is the third time when we do it this way. And I said, so before May 21st, so we have 1 week online class, and then May 21st we'll meet first time at AMSO. And about the course, a little bit about the background. So this B2C consumer marketing area is something like you are familiar with, at least based on former studies at AMSO, and well, this is where most marketing theories are concentrated on this topic. Another new area of marketing is this consumer to consumer sector. So, which, for example, different online internet applications have provided huge growth opportunities for this sector. And then the third one, which we are talking about in this course, so is the B2B sector, and so where companies provide products, services to other companies, and the kind of basic difference between consumer marketing and business to business marketing is when you think about so the purpose for which the products are being bought. Of course, like they are used for a certain way, like production or operation of the company, in order for them to be able to provide them further their own products, services to their clients. Typically those are that type of like applications. Big difference is of course also the amount of items being bought at once, and in business to business sector amounts are much larger compared to consumer markets. Of course, this buying behavior is one key element, and we are going to discuss about that in the class more in detail. Companies buy products in a very different way compared to consumers, and And well, we can actually start like discussion in the class a little bit about this, like the differences between the markets, but the products are not typically that type of like key differentiators. There are certain products which clearly belong to the business sector, but many companies actually, many products, sorry, cross the line between consumer markets and business to business markets. There are many products which are provided in both markets. About the material for the class, through Canvas, you are able to get access to videos, PowerPoint slides, readings, and different type of other documents, which will provide you material to study the class first week online, and then in a regular class. So when I'll be coming to St. Louis. Take a look at there's on Canvas, so information about instructions, especially related to this first week. So what should be done and so on. There are some material provided for you, and we have some online discussions on discussion boards during the first week. So some assignments should be completed in this way before we start in classroom on May 21st. A little bit background information about me, Finland also, like that's of course like my viewpoint to the topic, and then about business to business marketing in general. Well, when you think about in Finland, so industry has played until recently a very important role in Finnish economy. Its role has been substantial compared to many other countries. Our country is very small. We have about a little bit over 5 million inhabitants, and if you have any larger scale industry present in this market, so you have to be export oriented. So our economy is very export driven. Also, this also applies to B2B products. Relationships have been traditionally very important in business, and that's kind of like cultural aspect of doing business in Finland. So that's kind of like traditional point of view. And then from industrial sector, so very traditional sectors have been metal industry, pulp and paper. Also recently telecommunications, but that, as you know, so Nokia's troubles, so it has influenced this industrial sector dramatically. Of course, like Nokia is nowadays a big supplier of mobile networks, but mobile phones, so they have disappeared basically from that market. About my own background, I have engineering education, so that's one reason so why I'm teaching this class. I have studied industrial marketing, international operations of industrial enterprises, and well, I have also worked in a company which makes electrochemical corrosion prevention systems, so it's pure B2B operator in their own business, and those kind of like experiences and also like education background, so have directed my interest towards this direction. So that's basically so some important facts from these two areas. And our school, St. Business School, and AMSOL College of Business Administration have had long-term cooperation. So we have had a faculty exchange. I'm coming there through this kind of arrangement. So we have then AMSOL colleagues coming to Finland to teach over here, and we have also student exchange. That's kind of limited what we have at the moment and what we have had recently. But then one area of cooperation where we have had quite a lot of activities is this master level education cooperation. We have had many MBA group visits, actually both ways, maybe a little bit more from Finnish side towards United States, and then we have like once a year, once in 2 years, a global master school arranged also in St. Louis, where we have students from AMSO, University of Applied Sciences of Aschaffenburg in Germany, and our school, Seinäjoki School of Business and Culture, so participating in the classes. So we have quite a lot of different type of like activities between our universities.